Hello, students. I am so happy to study territorial behavior with you. Before we are going to study territorial behavior, first we need to describe territory and home range. Area or location where animals inhabit can be home range or territory. Territory means an area that an animal or a group of animals reserves or protects for oneself or for themselves by avoiding other members of the same species. But home range is the whole area that can sustain animals with living conditions such as food, shelter, and mating partners. So, territorial behavior means the method or characteristics that manifest on animal or group of animals to protect its territory from incursions or invasions by others of its species. Territoriality is usually an effective way of maintaining a healthy population by avoiding frequent contests or competition due to many shared resources. Territorial behavior is an adaptive or has survival values in many ways. For this reason, territorial animals need to form or develop territorial boundaries that may be marked by vocalization or sound scents from skin glands of mammals as territorial pheromones, urination, defecation, and scratching trees to warn of or announce the intruders that the area is already protected or preserved for an animal or a group of animals. Males are usually territorial sexes in group of animals to protect the territory. In this case, older and experienced residents or territorial animals are often difficult to dislodge or remove from the territory. The main advantages of possessing territory is to forage for food effectively, since territorial animals protect all the resources in their territory for oneself or themselves. It is important to save resources to increase the chance of attracting mating. When organisms protect the area for nest or mating site, in this case, only the two opposite sexes present in the nest or den for mating and reproduction. Another advantage of possessing territory is reducing vulnerability to predators or to save life. Sometimes forming territory is very important prey animals to avoid their predators or to save their lives. Generally, possessing territory saves resources, energy, life, and time. But when the resources outside the territory gets declined, the intruders decide to cross the boundaries of territory. In this case, the territory holder and intruders enter into fighting. Fighting or conspecific conflict is the last resort to defend the territory. This fighting can be ritual fighting and actual fighting. Ritual fighting or defense street displays is the act or motion of fighting without any physical contact. It involves visual displays. When territorial animals or territorial holders exaggerate or show off animal weapons to frighten or scare the intruders. Ritual fighting can also involve auditory or sound response. When the territory holder creates a sound of aggressiveness that can scare the intruders. Some territory holder animals can form or secrete olfactory or alarm pheromones that can warn off or scare intruders. The second type of fighting is actual fighting. This is a situation when animals harming or injuring or stabbing one another in overcrowded conditions when resources are significantly decreased or scarce. This results in injury and death.